And my dear friends, a very good morning to all of you. I, S. Prithvi and my friend V. Barath Kumar feel truly privileged to stand before you all today. As the famous saying goes, in the world of cybersecurity, the greatest enemy is complacency. This thought perfectly captures the essence of our topic, that is the cybersecurity in fintech. Now I invite my friend V. Barath Kumar to give a brief overview on cybersecurity in fintech. Please, Bharat.
Let's have a look into the introduction about cybersecurity in fintech. First of all, we should know what is fintech. Financial technology means utilizing various technologies like apps, websites, and other financial tools to make your financial services faster, smarter. And the cybersecurity plays a crucial role in protecting your sensitive data from various online frauds, hacking, and even threats. In the digital world of money, cybersecurity is a wall that guards your money, trust, and all your dreams. Next.
Importance of cybersecurity in fintech. The importance of cybersecurity in fintech lies in the protecting sensitive financial data, ensuring safe digital transactions, and maintaining customer trust in an industry that runs entirely on technology and securities only. Next, cybersecurity is essential to keep new technologies reliable, secure, and trusted. Prevention of financial loss through cybersecurity ensures safe digital transactions, protects customer assets, and maintains financial stability. It protects sensitive financial data from breaches, ensuring privacy and trust in fintech. Fintech deals with sensitive data like bank information, personal identifications, etc. Next, I invite my friend to.
Next, we have a look into cyber threats in fintech. A data reveals that around 2 million cyber threats cases have been filed in a year. And there are some of the types of cyber threats like data breaches, where your financial data has been disclosed or accessed without any proper authorization, and excessive phishing attack, which the data has been stolen by masquerading as a trustworthy entity either through the passwords or even emails. And next one is the DDoS, which is a distributed denial of services attack. It's taken place by overwhelming traffic in the financial platforms, but which make it inaccessible for the legitimate users. And also there are some insider threats made by the employees or contractors even within the organization, and also there are some of the security threats as well.
The important content in this presentation is the securing user data. Securing user data in fintech involves implementing strong encryption, stringent access control, and use of multi-factor authentication, which is nothing but MFA in short form. The data of the users can be secured through the following methods. First one is the access control. Access control in fintech ensures that only authorized users have the appropriate level of access to sensitive financial data and systems, protecting against unauthorized users and potential breaches. Next, multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA requires users to provide two or more verification factors such as password combined with OTP, which we all know, one OTP, sent to their phone, or use of biometric verification like fingerprint, face recognition, and voice recognition, etc. Secure storage. Secure storage means protecting sensitive user data by using strong encryption, implementing tokenization, and employing secure cloud storage. Last one is the use of AI and machine learning for threat detection. AI and machine learning continuously analyzes large volumes of transactions and behavioral data to detect anomalies, which predicts emerging threats and prevent fraud before it occurs. Next one is digital.
And next one is the famous encryption. Encryption is an invisible shield that protects your financial data. Encryption is a process of converting your financial data into an unreadable thing. Which the main mode of encryption is to safeguard your financial data and digital personal data from the other threats. And there are some of the encryptions like advanced encryption standard, which is used to ensure a secure data storage and also for transmission. And next is the elliptic curve cryptography, which is used for the authentication. And next is the end-to-end encryption, which is used in many communicating apps, even in WhatsApp also. And next is the transport layer security, which is ensure a safety protocol to ensure safer transmission of data from your devices into the server as well.
Digital identity verification. identity verification. Digital identity verification is the process of using advanced technologies like biometric verification, AI-based document validation, and multi-factor authentication. The various methods are: first one, document verification. Verification of government issued IDs like passports, driver's license, etc. Next is biometric verification. Biometric verification uses unique physical traits such as fingerprints, face recognitions, voice recognitions, etc. Database cross-checking. It involves automatic comparison of users' personal information against multiple trusted private and public databases. Last, AI and machine learning. It analyzes vast amounts of data from multiple sources and identifies patterns, detecting anomalies, and continuously learning to improve the accuracy and speed of the identity verification.
Next one is the API in FinTech, which is application programming interface, which acts as a bridge between the various sources and it ensures a safer transmission of data. And there are so many type of APIs like payment API, banking API, forex and market APIs. And for kind information, there are around 80% of the transactions are done in the mode of API, and the UPI and the API is also being used in UPI where over 10 million transactions are being done in a month, which is worth more than 18 lakh crore.
Authentication and access control. In FinTech cybersecurity, authentication and access control are vital for protecting sensitive financial information and user accounts. The key aspects are multi-factor authentication, which we see in before. Next one is biometric authentication, which uses biological traits like fingerprints, facial recognition, and voice patterns to securely verify user identities and to reduce fraud. Last one is token-based authentication. Token-based authentication in FinTech is a secure method where users receive a unique digital token after initial login, which they use for subsequent access. The best example I would give for token-based authentication is our DGVC LMS, because management have given us a unique user ID and password, which varies from one person to another person.
And the next one is the transaction safety. A recent data reveals that around UPIs may have set a significant milestone by recording 700 million transactions in a day. To ensure safety in these transactions, we are using so many steps like tokenization, which your data is being converted into token while sending into the another apps. And also the AI and machine learning has been used to identify any frauds. And blockchain technology, as Ananya ma'am has already told, that your data has been stored in a blocks where it is very transparent and it ensures a very transparent transaction.
Let's see in real life examples. First one, Angel One, one of the India's leading financial services platform, faced a significant cyber threat, which is data breach in the early days of 2025. I think on February 22, 27, I think, affecting around 8 million users. Hackers gained unauthorized access to some of the Angel One's Amazon Web Service resources, leading to exposure of client data. Fortunately, the breach did not impact the client security, funds, or login credentials. Angel One quickly responded by changing all affected credentials and hired an external forensic experts to investigate and contain the breach. Next is the Policy Bazaar. Similarly, Policy Bazaar, a major insurance and financial product aggregate, also experienced a data breach that raised serious concerns about personal data security. The breach exposed user information, putting customers at the risk of identity theft and phishing attacks. Such incidents emphasizes the critical need for FinTech and financial platforms to implement robust cybersecurity frameworks, which includes data encryption, multi-factor authentication, and continuous threat detection.
To rectify those errors and have a look into the cybersecurity, the government also made some acts because in India we rely more on the digital transactions. To secure that, the government has made a Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 to ensure the security of your personal data, and next is the Information Technology Act 2000. Which gives a legal recognition for your digital records, online signatures and other digital transactions. and also it defines a set of rules for cyber security, and also lists some of the punishments for the cyber crimes like identity theft, hackings, and some of the frauds. And there are and also there are RBI has issued some stringent regulations that it mandates the every financial institutions to cover the data production and risk management, and also to ensure a safer payment ecosystem.
Conclusion. Cybersecurity is the backbone of trust in the fintech industry. With the rise of UPI, digital wallets, online banking, and global fintech platforms, protecting user data and financial transactions is more critical than ever. Strong measures like encryption, firewalls, digital identity verification, and fraud detection systems ensure safe transaction and protect against cybercrime. Apart from the measures taken by the government, we need to be so careful while handling unsecure websites and other data.
Thank you for your time and attention.
Thank you guys for the presentation. Good job. Keep it up all.
Thank you, sir.